What do you think jewelry as a fashion statement?
I think beyond jewelry and women, the relationship goes beyond, I think, just a fashion accessory. I think it's something which is very dear to every woman, every girl, be it in the form of, heritage jewelry or the jewelry probably which has been part of the family for years. Grandma gives it to mother, mother gives it further to daughters. I think in every little form, jewelry becomes a part ultimately of every, at least an Indian girl's life. And as far as I'm concerned, I really like something which is very slick, something which is not very heavy, yet it makes a statement in its own way. So that's exactly what I've done today. I'm wearing a Gaurav Gupta gown. I think what I really like about this gown is it's simple. It's not really trying, too hard. I love the color, and so it was very easy for me to mix up the jewelry, which is Nazrana Jewelry, the brand that I'm endorsing, and so yeah.
So which is that part of jewelry without which you can just go out? Which is a must jewelry for you?
I think diamond studs. I think that's something which can go with an Indian attire, Western or a casual look. So I think diamond studs is definitely very safer and looks nice.
Can you just tell me something about your fashion formula? How you define fashion?
I don't think it can really be defined. It's something which is experienced. It's something that's you express out of the way your personality, you carry yourself. And for me, it's something very effortless, something which is classy, and that's my style statement.
Could you please tell something about the projects in the pipeline?
Yes, I've just finished shooting for Aman Ki Asha. That's my next film. That's opposite Ali Zafar. It comes from Mr. Neeraj Pandey's production house. He's a creative writer and directed by Nivas. And my third film, which is to be directed by Mr. Prabhu Deva, and it's opposite Ajay Devgan. We're going to start shooting next month. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, sir.
So
थोड़ा आगे हो जाइए. बहुत आँख में लग रहा है.
So how do you see jewelry as a fashion statement?
I think it entirely depends on the jewelry. Jewelry, no matter what you're wearing, where you're going, क्या occasion है, Indian है, Western है. Jewelry is always something that's everlasting. I think for every woman, like they say, diamonds are a girl's best friend. I know we've heard this many times before, but we never get tired of saying it.
Please tell something about the jewelry you're carrying and tag.
Well, these are emeralds, and I just thought that it would be great to wear emeralds with something black. And clearly today I'm here for Retail Jewelers India's, the 2013. We're here as the jury, so I wanted to wear some jewelry for sure. On a daily basis, I don't wear that much jewelry because, you always think that you want to save your jewelry for the best occasions, but this is a great occasion to wear jewelry and come to because I'm here as a judge, judging some of the most beautiful pieces that have been made over the last 1 year in the country. And India as a country is known for the amount of jewelry women love to wear, and whether you're happy, sad, whether there's a festival or whether there's a birthday or whether there's anything, jewelry is always something that is the first thing that a woman decides, and then she decides how to dress after that.
There are many pieces of jewelry here, and you being a judge, is it difficult or easy for you to?
I have to say this is very difficult. I mean, coming here and, when people say, oh, judging something is easy, it's actually not. It's really, really difficult because, these pieces have already been shortlisted from a huge number of entries that have come. There's a huge amount of responsibility. You don't know which jeweler has presented which piece. It's very secretive. You don't know what you're judging on except the category. So you have to go with blind faith in your understanding of jewelry, in the fact that the brief given to us is how much innovation there is, how much aesthetic there is, and how wearable the piece is. So you have to just imagine yourself wearing the piece, and that's why they have different people from different walks of life to come here and judge different pieces of jewelry.
Last year also you were here.
Yes.
So how much as a judge you have evolved?
Well, how much have I evolved? The last time I came, I didn't eat breakfast. This time I made sure I ate breakfast and came because I knew it's going to be a long day. That's how much I've evolved. Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you think about the jewelry as a fashion statement?
As a fashion statement, I think some of the pieces that I have seen here, I think you don't need the entire set. You just need one piece. It could be just the earrings or just the bangle. And I like it when jewelry is like that. I don't like, first of all, carrying so much and then wearing so much. And yes, it's a great depiction of your wealth. That's why during weddings people adorn and they put the entire jewelry that they own on themselves. It's a great way of showing your wealth. It's a great way of showing your security, your uniqueness. The more unique the piece, then in terms of tradition, when you inherit jewelry and you wear heritage jewelry, the kind of jewelry that you pick also speaks about the person that you are. Whether you're gaudy or whether you are understated, whether you are an exhibitionist. So it makes many, many statements. I am. A must for me. I don't know if you will call it a jewelry, but it's a little miraculous medal which was given to me by my principal mother, Damien. And now it's come off the hook, but I keep it in my wallet. And I'm just superstitious about it, and that's my biggest piece of jewel that I have and I carry around with me. They're diamonds. I don't think they're my best friends. I lose them a lot. And they say it's lucky to lose gold and to find gold, but I think जो इनसे guidelines मिलती है, that is a great help, because straight away जब आप इतनी सारी jewelry items देखते तो एक pick करना is very difficult. So उन लोगों ने segments में divide कर दिया है. विवाह jewelry अलग है, मतलब शादी के लिए, और कुछ और ज्वेलरी अलग है, जेम्स ज्वेलरी अलग है. तो उस सेगमेंट में एक पिक करना इज़ अ लॉट मोर ईजियर. और आपके साथ 9 डिस्टिंग्विश्ड पीपल और भी हैं जो दिमाग लड़ा रहे हैं कि उनके हिसाब से कौन सा अच्छा है. सो इन दैट वे इट बिकम्स लेस प्रेशर. It's definitely nicer because when we see it on the computer, when you see it on net, you can't really tell how big the size is. From what I saw and from what I see now, like a 3D and like a physical evaluation, there's a lot of difference. So I really enjoy this whole thing of looking at it personally, trying it on, and you feel nice. I like that process.
See the excitement.
Yeah.
Event से हट के बात करते हैं. आप फिल्मों में कब नजर आएंगे?
Very soon. Let's see.
थोड़ा कुछ fans आपका
नहीं मतलब yes, I hope this year. And इतनी सारी स्क्रिप्ट्स तो होती नहीं है जिसमें से आप चूज करो, बट ये माइंड मेकअप करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि yes, now this year from whatever I get, उसमें से मतलब जितनी खराब है उसमें से लेस खराब I'll pick and I'll do, that's what you have to do.
कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है एक बार फिर से बड़े पर्दे पे आना?
सबके लिए डिफिकल्ट नहीं होता. कभी कभी जब आप उस टाइम पे वापस ट्राई करते हैं तो अपना शेड्यूल से हट के वापस आना इज़ अ लिटिल डिफिकल्ट. प्लस लोगों को अंडरस्टैंड करना, ओ या वी कुड अप्रोच सो एंड सो इज़ डिफिकल्ट. बट वंस यू मेक दैट ब्रेक थ्रू, आई गेस इट्स ईजियर. सो it just depends on the circumstances. Sometimes it gets difficult, sometimes not so.